3-78. Burgos Arama is the best hamburger place in town. The owner, Ms. Ham, buys two 5-pound packages of meat for $27.50. Use proportional reasoning to determine the answers to the questions below. Be sure to explain your answer and organize your reasoning. Okay, so let's do A. 3-78, A. All right, what should Ms. Ham pay for 25 pounds of meat? Okay, so we know she can buy two 5-pound packages for $27.50. And two 5-pound packages is really 10 pounds. So if we're going to set up our first ratio for this, it would be 27.50 to 10 pounds. And then we want to compare that to a ratio of, let's see, we know we want 25 pounds of meat. We just don't know how much money that's going to be. So the dollars are X, are unknown. All right, so because this is a proportion, let's see, we could look at it different ways to solve it. So I could actually create a giant 1 that multiplies 10 by 2.5 to get 25 pounds, and then I would just multiply this by 2.52. But I'm going to show you how to do cross multiplying because that's a much more flexible way of doing it. Okay, so the first cross multiplying is the denominator to the numerator. So that is 10x. And then we'll do 27 times 25. So we'll cross multiply the other way. So 27.50 times 25. All right, now we have to get this x by itself, and it's being multiplied by 10. So we will undo that multiplication by dividing it by 10, and we'll divide this by 10 too. So we can do a little bit of canceling before we start multiplying. So if we divide by 10, so 10 divided by 10 goes in once. 10 divided into 25 is 2.5. All right, so over here we know we've got a giant 1 times x, and so that's just x. And over here we'll multiply this by 2.5. So 27.50 divided by, I'll pull out my calculator. All right, so 27.5 times 2.5 is equal to $68.75. So our x, $68.75. So that's how much it's going to cost, is the cost of 25 pounds of meat.